Good evening. It's Monday, 18th August 2025. Let's get down to Indian stock market action for today. The bulls were out in full force as Sensex closed at 81,274 points, surging by 676 points, while Nifty wrapped up the day above 24,877 points, recording a 1% gain. Now, the market sentiment was powered by optimism around GST reforms and India's upgraded sovereign credit rating. Now, let's talk about today's leaders. Maruti Suzuki absolutely stole the show, racing ahead by 9% to a new record high. Hero MotoCorp wasn't far behind. They rose up by 7% and Bajaj Auto rode up by 5%. Adani Group stocks were also sizzling, delivering up to 5% gains. Notably, Amber Enterprises and Dabur both clocked impressive surges of over 5%. On the flip side, the laggards were mostly from the IT pack. Infosys, Persistent, Emphasis, LTIMindtree and HCL Technologies finished in the red, with the Nifty IT index down by 0.35%. Now coming to the top financial news for today. Now number 1, GST reforms unveiled. Now government proposes simplifying the GST structure, merging slabs, adding a 40% rate for luxury, sin goods and lowering rates for many essentials. Now expected to bolster consumption and ease compliance for businesses. Number 2, sovereign credit rating upgrade. Now S&P Global lifts India's long-term rating to BBB from BBB minus. Now it highlights the improved fiscal discipline and stronger economic prospects after nearly 2 decades. Potential reduction in insurance premium GST. Now GST on all the insurance policies could drop from 18% to 5%, making life, health and auto insurance more affordable for salaried earners and professionals. Number 4, GST cut for small cars. Now small car GST may be slashed the new reforms, boosting demand and benefiting automakers like Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors. Number 5, tourism hospitality revenue jumps. Now domestic travel sector reports 19% quarterly growth, driving gains for airline to hotel chains. Number 6, now healthcare investment boost. Now hospital networks and digital health platforms report large private equity inflows. Healthcare emerges as a key foreign direct investment sector. Corporate expansion, Dixon Technologies. Now Dixon signs 370 crore JV with China's HKC overseas to expand electronics manufacturing for domestic and global markets. Number 8, Infosys expands in Australia. Now Infosys acquires a 75% stake in Versent Group, joins Telstra for AI Cloud Ventures, strengthening Indian tech presence overseas. Number 9, banking fintech growth. Now Shivalik Small Finance raises up to 100 crore rupees from Japanese investors and digital lending startups, and it scales up rural credit scoring with AI. FMCG and consumer durables outperform. Now strong rural demand spurs notable gains for Hindustan Unilever, Dabur, Nestle, Voltas and other consumer leaders. That's it for today. Like, share and subscribe for more detailed information.